What are the components of natural numbers? Let's break it down using a simple example, the number 1234. Digit. Any of the symbols from 0 to 9. Place value. The value a digit has because of its position in a number. Base 10. Number system based on powers of 10. Standard form. The numerical version of a number where each number has a place value. Word form. Writing numbers using words, also known as number name. Roman numeral. A number system used in ancient Rome, using combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Numeral. A symbol used to represent a number. Expanded form. Writing a number to show the value of each digit. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and check out the full playlist for more videos in our natural numbers series.